Hi, my name's Di from Simply Organised, and I've been helping people declutter and organise their homes for over 3 years. One of my business goals this year was to use video, as I think it's a fantastic way to connect to people. And it also gives clients an opportunity to see and hear me before inviting me into their home. I usually shy away from the camera, but this is an unusual time for everyone, so I'm using that as an opportunity to try something new. Many of us are spending a lot more time at home at the moment, and we're having to make room, whether that be for an office, a space to homeschool or exercise. Or maybe you're just craving your homes to work better for you now you have some free time on your hands. So, how can I help? Simply Organised is now running virtual decluttering sessions. I can remotely guide you to make your space work better for you and help make your home feel calmer and you more in control. More details of what's involved and how to contact me can be found below. Thanks for watching and take care.